Aloha, ladies, gentlemen, and any other pronouns that I have left out. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this video. I hope you are having a fantastic Thursday, July 24th, 2025, 8:04 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. This is one of the last days that I will be residing in the Hawaiian Standard Time Zone. I've been here for about 25 years. I moved here in 2000. As you can see, it's now 2025. So I've been here about 25 years. I've had a great time. I moved here when I was 22ish, and I'm going to be 49 this coming year. Lots of learning. I really matured and grew up here in Hawaii. So I'm very, very thankful and blessed to have lived here. And one of the greatest things that I have learned here, one of them is trading in the markets. I was really fortunate because there was a time when a lot of different seminars would come to Honolulu, and I just happened to be a seminar junkie, and I kept going. And here I am, X amount of time later. Technically, I could be a full time trader right now. However, what for my trading style for my not just my trading style, my account size, in order to really make sure that I am never going to have to work for a regular job again, I really need to be sitting in front of the computer from market open to market close every day the stock market's open. Doesn't mean that I'm always day trading, but I at least need the opportunity to be there in order to maximize everything. So I do some day trading, but I do swing trading. I do position trading. I have some long term investments. I have a variety of things going on. And overall, I just find that if I'm awake and alert from the beginning of the market and till the end, which sometimes I might, go run an errand and come back and just kind of paying attention, but I need to be available to be in front of a computer. So waking up, the stock market here in Hawaiian Standard Time opens at 3:30 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, depending on the mainland's daylight savings time. And my friends, for me, that just wears on my health and my energetic system, which is either the same thing as health or somehow related. I'm not really sure, but I just feel super lethargic after like a week straight of waking up at 3:15 or 4:15. And I get it, take a nap. I do take a nap afterwards, and I'm still just super lethargic. So I want to be a full-time trader so badly that I'm going to leave this place that I love, leave this place that I've established myself for in the last 25 years, and go to a small little rural community in West Michigan where there's not even cable. Having internet is not the easiest thing, but I've got two options to go with, and I'll test out both and go with the best one. I'll be on the Eastern Standard Time Zone on a 10-acre lot with squirrels, birds, and trading. That's it. No distractions. And that will be happening in August sometime. So let's get to the meat and potatoes of this clickbait video. Yes, I said it. It is a little clickbaitish. I get it. And I'm very happy with that creative clickbait title that I came up with. So, how do you steal stocks from an ETF? Well, the first thing that you need to do is have an internet connection and go to Yahoo Finance. Once you go to Yahoo Finance, you need to have some ETFs in mind that you want to steal their stocks. So I'll give you one that I've stolen a while ago and been using. It's from RecShares AIPI. You can read all about it. And what I have been doing is these different like tech, or this one is they got a crypto higher income ETF. So I like seeing what they're trading. I want to steal their stocks. So we go to Yahoo Finance. We got a ETF that we want to steal the stocks from. We put it in here. AIPI. Let's steal some AIPI stocks. So now at Yahoo Finance, we have the ETFs pulled up. Now, at the moment, this is where Yahoo Finance has it. We're looking for holdings. We're looking for holdings. They have it right here, right now. Maybe by the time you're watching this, it might have moved, but look for holdings. Click on holdings. Top 10 holdings. So I've stole these stocks. I've been selling options on these stocks for months already. Sometimes I'm just selling put options. Sometimes I'm just selling call options, and sometimes I'm selling both. So I'm just straight up strangling these stocks. I stole them right from Rex Shares AIPI. Stole them right off Yahoo Finance. You can steal them too if you want. Let's look at blocks. All right, now we're on blocks. Go to holdings. One overlapper. I think it was only one. So what I would normally do then is let's just take this first one, HODL, and then take a look at HODL. Woo! Option chain is looking pretty nasty. Only two. Look at that. That's garbage. There's no point in me stealing that. Now, this is what I do when I steal these stocks. I'm a serial option seller. Like I in my sleep I sell put options. Like I just love selling put options. So for me, this has no excitement here. But let's take a quick look at the chart. 5 year, weekly. I don't know if it doesn't seem like it's been around for 5 years. This is a 200-day moving average. It's obviously on a weekly chart. It's not 200 days. It's like 40. What do I have it set up on? Yep, 40 period. 40 times like what is it? 20 trading days should be about 200, something like that. It's close to mimicking the 200-day moving average on a weekly chart. So let's just go over here at an actual full year. Should be. And in case you're using Thinkorswim and you don't like having these red lines on your chart, then go over here, take off, show that. Bam. Take that off. Clean it up a little bit. Make sure you hit save. All right, great. Did I hit save? Oh, yeah, it's over here. Got two screens going on. Okay, so maybe you want to trade it like this. Maybe you're gonna straight up buy some shares. That's just not what I like doing. So let's take another stock off there. This is one that I was looking at before. So MSTR. Take a look at that. MSTR. All right. We see quickly, we can see that moving average has been going up from left to right. ATR is almost 40 on the week. And looks like around this 348, we got some starting to have a little resistance, like overlapping, like this range. It's just kind of ranges right in this area. It's kind of clumpy with prices. But the first thing I might look at is the 348. So I'm taking note on a week. It's about it moves roughly about $40. I don't have that set up over here on that monthly. How about the daily? 16. So what's we got a lot of option expirations. Good. Let's take a quick look over here. Implied volatility 63. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at, is there any money to be made at the 1 delta? Actually, there is. There is money to be made. How far does money go down? Look at this. That's pretty good for selling options. Now you might be thinking, hey, $5, that's not exciting. Well, you don't have to pick that one. You can pick this one. Well, you pick whatever you want. But the fact is, look at all there's a market. There's buying and selling going on on the stock, even down here into zero delta. Oh man, so that's something that I would look at. What was it one? Was it 348? Relook at that. So also we want to look right here, plus or minus 12. So this is going to be expiring tomorrow. But this is not a video on selling options on probability. It's about stealing ETF stocks. 350. Let's take a quick look at 350. 350. Quite a bit of buying power needed to make $5. Not the best ROI on that one. But there would be a general way you can steal ETF stocks. Let's look at some gold miners. Because what's gold been doing? Hey, over the last year, same thing. Gold has been going from left to right on an upward momentum, kind of bumping up against this 300-ish range and going sideways a little bit in this range, but still moving up in this sideways motion. So maybe a person could be interested in some gold companies. So GDX ETF, gold miner ETF. Same thing. Look under holdings. Play with some stocks. See what you can come up with. Maybe you want to do it this way. Maybe you want to go with SPY. Holdings. Those top 10. Put whatever ETF you want in there. It's a way that you could steal the stocks out of an ETF and find a way for yourself to make money on them. What about XLP, consumer staples? Because I'm the type of person that likes owning this pretty good dividend stock with Costco. This one's a dividend king. Dividend king. Philip Morris, I'd have to check that out. Dividend king. I think Pepsi's a dividend king. Colgate Palmolive, dividend king. Dividend king. All right, so there's just different ways. What's another? Maybe you want to do some real estate. Is it XLR? XLRE. Holdings. There you go. And you can check them out deeper. Like, let's just pick this first one. I'm not familiar with this stock. Holders. Let's take a quick look at see if the profile will give us. Actually, I'll show you what I like to look at. Enterprise value over EBITDA. I'm looking for this to be under 10. 10 or under to kind of get a good deal. And I like to look at where can we find some free cash flow? What's the free cash flow? If there's no free cash flow, net operating income. I haven't been playing with Yahoo Finance as much as I've been playing with FinViz lately. But I just know exactly where when I'm going to steal stocks out of an ETF, that's where I go. If you want to learn more about fundamental analysis, you got to find another YouTube video. This video is just about stealing stocks out of ETFs. I hope you enjoyed that clickbaitish title, and we'll see how many more videos I'll post up before I'm back in Eastern Standard Time Zone and trading for a living. See you guys later.